Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba kajela ubah kami katanat penroiser ubah asnyau balang dar hakan riu terik naitung aja penriau ulong bak sarkar jela kadang ap Ktien na katanat ya dari jong sarkar pedeng syoban shim ya karai hakabai dei bak jing Pynkynriah iki Briew Kiba hatam yo Mawlong hajing ikren biglap thai kubor ubah dhar ulai thu bo Menteri Rangba kajela konrat kisang ma ulai kendo la ar la nilai sien yo Menteri sarkar pedeng ubah kami yak tanat ya dari pan caka nak sipai hadin baka sarkar klaterwa kumba arla nilai teli ki caka ki baha papu uput usam jong sipai pan Pynkynriah iki Briew ki basa hayo Mawlong.
This also we are at the right time you ask me this question, so we are planning by the end of this month we are yet to sit one more and we'll take the exact latest report what is there, so maybe finally we'll see what are the exact report, because the last meeting that we had, so there is option we may get land from defense also, so we are awaited for that last conversation between the officials and the defense people. So let us see, I think by the end of this month at least I'll be able to share something what are the
how much
Hurricane colony. Ask how much, because we have to discuss first if they are willing, and we will ask this land is required. Land we have identified 2-3 places, but till today no signal has been received from the defense land. Let us see, because even Chief Minister they had a meeting, 2-3 meeting with the Union Defense Ministers, Government of India. Let's see, it should be, but let's see. By when, I cannot say by when. Let us have a discussion first, so only then we'll be able to take a call how to move forward.
Force and presented.
Blueprint is remaining as it is. So there we have got another option with the defense. That's why we are both sides are ready. If A is not working, we may go with the plan B. Take a call. Simple as that. Government will take a call. How to proceed ahead.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.